This one actually got hit in the front and the rear.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit down low in the back here. It destroyed the frame rail underneath here. So they have my sectioning joint. Alright, I got this frame rail section all clamped up into place. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set up the measuring system and take some measurements on it. Now the measuring system knows exactly where the car is sitting, so I could come back here and I could check this frame rail and make sure it's exactly where it's supposed to be. Alright, I got this one all measured out. It's measuring out perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this frame rail welded in, and then once I get it welded in, I will go ahead and start. I'll have to prep out this end cap and get that welded on as well. I'll measure that out whenever I get to that point too. I'm going to put this over the measuring ladder to keep it clean so I don't mess it up. So now I'm on the front end of the same Highlander. This one actually got hit in the front and the rear. The front's minor. I got a small hood repair right here on the edge where it got rolled. Get some parts, and then I got to replace both of these frame rail end caps. They're both bulged out and pooched in right in here. So I'm going to start on the hood first, get that knocked out, then I'll go ahead and replace those end caps.